Okay, we're about to demonstrate to the best of our ability. We're not CNC guys by any means. We don't know how to program. But little Kenny's figured out a little bit of it to show you all the axes are working. You can also run this by hand. The technician was in here for 2 to 3 weeks on and off, finding out why it wouldn't turn on. The battery in there died, and it leaked onto the motherboard. It was replaced. He came back, he installed it, and it's up and running again fine. You can also run this machine by hand, which Kenny will show you. It's a 6x18 harig easy surf with the Bridgeport control. It was built in 1996. Serial number 125EZ. 1.5 horsepower spindle, 223 phase, quiet as a mouse. 618 Walker fine mesh chuck. Got a couple of dingleberries in it over here. But got the Bridgeport CNC control, CRT. Got the RS-232 computer port. Got a coolant tank with it. And like I say, you can run it either by hand or CNC. You know how to program these. I'm going to get out of the picture now, and I'm going to let Kenny come over and put it on the power for you. You can stay, leave it there, Kenny.
Oh yeah, of course. Now first,
You're out of the.
hand controls do work.
Yeah.
Up and down, left and right,
Yeah.
and out.
Pull that hand wheel out, Kenny. You'll get that alarm.
Turn the power on. Turn all the hydraulics on.
Is the spindle on, Ken?
It will be in a minute.
Okay.
Now, I'm just going to run a quick 30-second program that'll just show you that all the axes work. Spindle's on. There we go. And I'll run it one more time just in case you didn't get to see it all. One more time just because I want to. If I can figure out how to put a little program in it, I'm sure most people have no problem.
Yeah, that's why we don't have a piece in there to try to test grind it. We're afraid we're going to crash it.
Yeah, I didn't
So-
want to take a chance of crashing.
And we don't know how to program to take a test cut. Can you show how it goes home, Kenny? How it homes itself?
It will home itself. You just have to, I'd have to shut it all off and turn it back on.
Oh, okay.
But, you know, it does do what it's supposed to.
Yeah.
And run it one more time and that's that.
Okay.
There you go.
It does have a Gray Mills coolant tank with it with the pump. Okay, so we're gonna put this on eBay for $16,500. I'll give you the technician's name and number if you wish. His name is Mike Pryor. He's a crackerjack. It's come out of a one-man shop up north that passed away 5 years ago. The machine didn't run for 5 years. It was in a heated shop, and I bought it off his widow. Well, if you have any questions, you can give us a call at 800-592-5912. Send us an email at toolingking@earthlink.net. And we are Rumford Supply and Machinery Company, 263 Pine Street, Seekonk, Massachusetts, 02771. We've been servicing the machine tool industry for 56 years. Kenny's third generation. Don't hesitate to call us, we'll talk to you. And remember, at Rumford, we own what we sell. Thank you.